My name is Ian Peterman with the Peterman Design Firm, and I'm here talking with Micah from Cask Drum. We just did a CAD project together. And so kind of the first question here is, what exactly were you needing when you found me?
Really just a simple way to kind of modify a design. I had already had another designer work with. Um, I'm very my skills are very limited with CAD. I can insert shapes and things like that, but I'm not good with organic shapes. So yeah, mainly just a modification of a design, and turned out being a redesign from the ground up, and was really good overall.
Great. So it sounded like you worked with someone before. Did that go well? Have you done this a lot, or is this kind of only done this, like worked with a couple people before?
I've worked with just a few people. The previous designer I worked with on this project, it took a couple months to get what I had back. It was a long, drawn out process, to say the least. So kind of expecting the same thing, but it was a lot quicker and better results actually this time. So I'm more than pleased.
Well, good. I'm glad to hear there's better results this time.
Definitely.
Yeah, unfortunately, it seems like I get a lot of people that need help from somebody that was super slow. Um, so as you mentioned a couple things, so what was your favorite part, I guess, of what we did? You mentioned being super quick. Is there something else, or is it really the speed that's stuck out for you?
Um, you know, the speed was one thing, how fast you got it done, and the other would be, some of this stuff isn't very easy to express. So, I'll try and work my way through it with an email, but you had a good idea what I wanted. I tried to explain it the best I thought, and really what came back was exactly what I had in my mind. So, really easy to explain to you what I needed done, and it was conveyed very well, and you grasped it well, and yeah, it was a great outcome.
Awesome. Well, so the question, would you recommend me? Were you that happy with what I was able to do for you?
Yeah, definitely. I would totally recommend you. If I do come across it needing any more design work, or have anybody else I know in the industry that needs design work, I'll definitely send them your way.
Awesome. Well, thank you again for doing this. And I guess if you have anything else to add, or if that kind of sums up what you have.
That's pretty much it. I just appreciate you getting to me. Everybody else that I talked to, they didn't even have time to do it. So, I talked to a few other designers, and I just appreciate you taking the time and getting it done for me.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad it worked out, and hopefully we'll do another project together.
Definitely. I appreciate it, Ian.